Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza pie at home. First, let's get started with the foundation, the dough. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Combine these, then mix 3 3/4 cups of flour with 2 teaspoons of salt. Gradually add the wet ingredients and 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the dry, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth, then let it rise. Next, let's craft the perfect sauce and gather our toppings. For the sauce, simmer 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes with 2 minced garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. While that simmers, prepare your favorite toppings like sliced pepperoni, mushrooms, or bell peppers. Don't forget to grate about 8 ounces of low-moisture mozzarella cheese for that classic gooey finish. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pizza. First, preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or baking steel inside for at least 30 minutes. This ensures a crispy crust. Gently punch down your risen dough and divide it into 2 equal portions. On a lightly floured surface, stretch or roll each portion into a 12-inch circle. Transfer the dough to a pizza peel dusted with cornmeal. Then spread your delicious sauce and add your chosen toppings. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your homemade pizza. Carefully slide the assembled pizza onto the preheated pizza stone or baking steel. Bake for 8 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. For an extra crispy crust, try baking on the lowest rack for the first 5 minutes. Once done, remove the pizza, let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes, then slice and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.